Oh, you're working in Bangladesh or outside country?
Hello.
Hello?
Okay, now okay. You connected in from two device, so that okay, now
Might
okay.
be. So that's why it's giving two name.
And wait, just one device I moved, then
One second.
sound.
I'm trying to disconnect that
Okay,
one.
okay, no,
Maybe.
no problem. Okay, now.
No, I'm getting an echo sound. So that's a problem. One second. Hello?
Hello.
One second. Let me disconnect this one. Hello?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
now it's fine, right? I hope so.
Yes. Now fine.
Okay. Tell me, Tareq.
Okay. First, yeah. Have you completed Windows Server 2000? Windows Server?
See, I completed Server 2012 certification. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So after that, from last 2 months, I just planned to work in the exchange. So I
Yes.
started the documents and everything. I started to refer to studies the exchange. So one of my friend he said that you first start with the MS 200 and MS 201. Okay, slowly when I started to studies the exchange and everything, I deployed the lab in my laptop as I said yesterday with one domain controller and one exchange on one client PC. So I installed and everything I did. But the thing is that where I stuck with the public IP. So from that only I can't able to do the lab. So one of my friend he said that without public IP you cannot do the lab full of exchange. So you have to buy a public IP. But in Qatar we cannot because it's not possible to buy public IP. It's very challenge, you know.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Just practice exchange. Just practice in your virtual machine. I think it's sufficient. When you are you a student or a working job?
I'm working in a desktop support.
Okay, fine. Okay, just need to practice in your virtual machine. And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, if anyone try to advance practice, he needs to public IP and try to hold a real life based practical. Just
Okay.
practice, no problem. I think it's no problem. Maximum of students practice, and that's like okay.
Okay. Mm.
Okay, I think yeah. Last night you say you are interested to face exam, Microsoft exam.
Yes.
Yes. Which one? MCS Exchange or another ones?
See, I referred the certification document of Microsoft. As I come to know that on-premises exchange, the paper code is 70 dash 345, which is pure of on-premises exchange. Okay,
Yes.
and my friend having a voucher code of MS 200 and MS 201. But the MS 200, as I saw in the Microsoft side, it's going to expire this month,
Expect.
I think so.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So he said that better you just go with the MS 201, which is hybrid. So the all nowadays the environment is going on the hybrid concept, so you can move with that one.
Okay.
Okay. So from last 5 days, I started the MS 201 documentation. Refer with the Microsoft site. Okay, I'm just started to refer within everything. So so this is
Okay.
the scenario which I'm doing now.
MS. Okay. Okay. Now I discuss with you. All
Okay.
okay. All Microsoft exam.
Okay.
Windows Server 2012, Windows Server 16, and like
Okay.
it's also Exchange, also
Okay.
MS, also hybrid Exchange. All
Okay.
exam are
Okay.
going to expire on January
Okay.
21,
Okay. Okay.
2021. Okay, and
Okay.
Microsoft moving speedily all
Okay.
technology going to Azure. Just means
Okay.
cloud
Yes.
computing.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Okay, that's result.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the certification value of Windows Server, Exchange Server
Mm-hmm.
reducing because
Okay. Okay.
Microsoft moving their all technology to
Mm-hmm.
cloud computing and
Okay. Okay.
Azure.
Okay. Okay.
As per my opinion, I suggest who are on the now present, no need to
Mm-hmm.
Windows Server certification, no need to Exchange Server certification because this month is August. So
Okay.
come up to
Okay.
around only 4 months remaining, 4 or 5 months remaining. After
Okay.
5 months later,
Okay.
your exam will be expired. Certification will be
Okay.
expired.
Okay.
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 So
Okay.
my suggestion is no need to face any exam in Windows Server or Exchange Server. It's better
Uh-huh.
to face exam cloud computing Azure
Okay. Okay. Okay.
because initial exam is very easy, but going to before going to Azure,
Mm-hmm.
everyone must clear concept Windows Server and Exchange
Mm-hmm.
Server
Okay. Okay.
plus Office 365.
Okay. So just a minute. I want to clarification one thing here. Okay. So as you said that the nowadays all the companies are moving to the Azure. Okay. So even I am also aware on that. Okay. And as you suggested that no need to do certification on the Windows Server and all. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So what I am thought about on this, see, anyhow, the exchange will be there in every organization. Okay. So as you said, the on-premises exchange, it's not going to valid. Okay. So anyhow, if they going to exchange online or hybrid, so both they are going to use in all the organization.
Yes, yes. Mostly,
Okay.
Microsoft now try to moving all technology Azure,
Mm.
but is
Mm.
still on premises technology, on premises infrastructure in every
Mhm.
organization is still
Mm.
remaining minimum 5 to 7 years. If
Yes. Okay.
you think your company use Windows Server or Exchange Server,
Mm. Mm.
this
Mm.
year or next year he doesn't move to cloud. Okay,
Mm. Mm.
at least
Yes.
they use this technology 5 to 7 years. After
Okay.
5 7 years
Mm.
later, they will move to Azure.
Definitely, definitely, definitely. See, for live example, here before they was use the exchange online. So slowly now what they used Microsoft 365 hybrid. Okay,
Yes,
so slowly hybrid. After that, what they will do hybrid also they will reduce and they will go for exchange online, so that
yes,
they will remove the on-premises exchange completely. Okay,
yes, yes.
so
But see,
that only I thought doing the exchange on-premises. So I'm just want to in ground level. I just want to clear my knowledge of the exchange.
yes, yes,
Okay, so I'm not going to do the certification of the exchange on premises. Directly, what I will do, I will going to do the MS202, which is cover both hybrid and the online exchange online. So I hope so you know about the MS202. Can you go through on that paper code, which is recently launched by Microsoft? I think MS0202, I think.
okay.
Because before MS200 and 201 was there. So 200 it's going to expire. So now 201 and 202 something is there.
Just wait. I checked this. 202
Ah,
is it
okay,
still
okay, okay.
valid or expired? Just wait.
Ah, okay, okay. So, sorry, 203.
203. Okay.
203, 203.
Just I
Ah,
check this.
And one more thing I need to highlight with you, I want to share with you.
Okay.
Actually, what before start studying the exchange, I started the Azure 103. Okay, so I started and I referred to too much documents and videos and everything. But what happened for preparing for the certification from here, the cost it was something high. So that's why I just stopped the Azure because I'm not got the proper platform to start the career in the Azure. So that's why I kept old that 103.
Yeah.
Otherwise, but after that, I thought because in every organization there will be exchange definitely. So if I get a career with the startup with the exchange,
Yes.
once I get the career in exchange, then after that I can slowly start the exchange. So this was the plan I did before. So that's why I started the exchange because before I don't have then that much of knowledge in exchange environment. Completely, I was zero. But now, Alhamdulillah, I just I can understand and I can able to do the work in the exchange. Okay, and even I think you know the Umar Azim channel, Pakistani guy.
Okay.
So he is also a nice instructor. His language in Hindi. So I most like with this training. So I learned the exchange basic from his video only.
Okay. Uh, are you saying MS-202?
Yes, 203, 203. Sorry,
Sorry.
because I said that 202, 203.
Or Microsoft 365 messaging.
Yes,
Yes. Yes. Citizens.
because in this paper they are covering MS 200 and 201 because 200 and 201 is going to retire. So that's why they merged this into
Okay.
the 203, which is covered online, exchange online, and as well hybrid as well. I think.
Okay. This topic's name is Microsoft 365 messaging. Okay.
Yes.
Microsoft study is difficult from is if we compare to Cisco. Microsoft is
Mm,
more difficult because Microsoft rapidly changed their policy.
definitely.
Definitely, yeah. You think just 2 years ago, 2 3 years, 3 4 years ago, he established Server 2012. After
Mm,
within 2 years later, they provide Server 16. Okay,
yes.
within one
Mm,
year's duration, they launched Server 2019.
perfect.
And plus their office program they moved to Office
Mm,
365, and
yes.
within
Yes.
within 1 year's duration they changed their name.
Mm,
Office 365 is now name is Microsoft 365.
Microsoft 365. Perfect.
Microsoft 365. And now this year, last year they announced all exam will expire. uh,
Mm,
just 6 months later all exam will expire. They extend expiration date 6 months again for the
mm.
COVID-19. Okay,
Oh, okay.
and now they are all program, all promoting, all service are just announcing, advertise, just announcing is Azure cloud computing.
Mm, okay.
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 My Another thing I saw, uh, Office
Mm,
365 moved to Microsoft 365. Main purpose is uh, they their Outlook or messaging service they move to their cloud. Okay.
cloud, yes. Yes.
When their latest technology Azure
Mm-hmm.
released same service,
SD? Which one?
Azure cloud,
Okay. Okay.
same service. Your physical server is Windows server in your existing environment, just server move to
Yes.
cloud, there is
Cloud,
the
yes.
storage. And Exchange
Mm,
also same. As per my opinion, I think is
mm,
now you study this, just everyone need to study server 12 or server 16. After that need to
mm,
study Exchange server. Okay.
mm-hmm.
uh, just
Okay.
because they already announced those exam will be retired, so no need to
Mm-hmm.
face exam. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and now present they all advertising only Azure, means
Okay.
cloud computing.
Mm.
I think
Mm-hmm.
if you face cloud exam, Azure exam, it's better to you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and also have you know they providing free browser?
Oh, for 900,
Yes,
is that 900?
900, and also this browser also can use 103, is at 500 also can use.
That voucher?
They offer browser for 900, is at 900 as a fundamentals.
Yes.
But
Yes,
if,
I heard that.
yes, if anyone use this browser for another exam, it also acceptable.
That means you mean to say in that one voucher, either you can go for the AZ900 or AZ other paper, whatever it is.
Yes, it's accepted.
Okay.
It accept. I also use
Uh-huh.
this. I also use this.
Uh,
I collect browser from AZ900 and use it
mhm.
AZ500.
Okay. So that means that voucher we can use for any one of the Azure paper, right?
Yes,
Oh, okay. Because I heard that AZ900, too many people they had attempt on that, but I didn't because I'm just going by step. So that's why first
yes.
what I planned first I just clear the exchange online, hybrid and online because nowadays all the organization they are using hybrid and online Microsoft 365. So first let me clear that one, then I will move forward to the Azure. So this was the my plan for my career. So that's why. So suddenly I saw your videos and I like that. So that's why I want to discuss with you. So what you can suggest me or advise me. So
Yes,
that's why.
yes.
Because see, one more fact I will share you. Right now I'm working in Qatar. Okay, so as a desktop engineer only. Okay, as a support engineer. Okay, so if I try my job to switch in the Azure, so it's very difficult because what happened now here the all the company they are started migration. It's my experience because I saw because I worked in the Office 365 project with the government project because now the Azure team they are started to migrate that server to the cloud. But the thing is that if we search a job in the Azure, no one will going to give until and unless if we have a cloud something is at 500 or 300 certification. Because what they requirement from the candidate that so that he can manage complete migration.
Yes.
You must have knowledge on that expertise so that they can assign to the project. So if he as a fresher, if I search a job, then it's very difficult for me. So that's why I just
Yes,
changed my plan. So let me start the career with the exchange. Then slowly I will go for the Azure administrator and all.
yes. Your plan is absolutely perfect.
Mm,
Because if any fresher or if you now move to Azure, you cannot understand
mm,
clearly. After
mm,
when you completely done exchange practical and on premises in network, okay, after that if you
mm.
just go to Azure, you can understand everything.
Yes,
Azure just looks
perfect.
Azure or Office 365 or Microsoft 365, it's pretty much
Mm,
similar. Just need an account to into Microsoft, just log in from your end.
yes.
Just pretty much similar,
Okay.
most of the things are similar.
Okay.
And another why company are moved to Azure or cloud, because you already used Windows Server, Exchange Server, and this server
Mm,
is very high configured,
yes.
RAM minimum 8 GB, 16 GB. If
Mm,
anyone make account in Azure or Microsoft 365, you can
mm,
easily access,
okay.
just no need,
Okay.
not so slow.
Mm,
Okay, just I suggest you,
okay.
your 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 target is absolutely right. You
Mm,
studying exchange, okay, fine.
okay.
Just
Okay.
follow, just follow any offer from Microsoft. Again,
Okay.
free browser, okay. Just
Okay.
it is very easy, just registration, Microsoft
Mm-hmm.
event, just attend
Mm-hmm.
event. If anyone attend, Microsoft automatically send voucher.
Okay. So for attending the event, so how should I get that event link or something? So do you have anything related?
I check last 2 day. Now at present there is no event Microsoft Azure.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
uh,
So.
but I think another Microsoft already announced beyond so many events. It
Okay.
mostly
Okay.
20 or 30 events. Okay,
Okay.
just
Okay.
you can check my channel. If I
Mm-hmm.
hear any information from Microsoft, I will
Okay.
upload it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And if I want to check the event of the Microsoft, so how can I check it from where I can?
Yeah.
Is there
Okay.
any particular?
I send you my video link. In video link description also,
Okay.
Microsoft link also in video description.
Ah.
Okay, you
Okay.
check this.
Okay.
You check this
Hmm.
regularly
Ah, that will
after
be
1 week
great.
later.
Okay.
Check
Okay.
this.
Okay. Definitely, definitely. And as I want to ask one thing, and currently what you are doing and your experience, if you want to share, you can.
Yeah, please repeat again. I cannot understand.
No, actually, I want to ask with you that currently what you are doing and what is your experience? Is
Okay,
the
okay. Okay. Every IT professional career is started from desktop support. I started my career in ISP, internet service provider, as a
Ah,
support engineer. After
okay.
1.5 years later, I switched to another company, and this
Mm-hmm.
company name is Cloud One. And
Mm-hmm.
as a system admin,
Okay.
I worked there at least 1 years plus,
Mm-hmm.
1.2 months. After that, I switched to and in training profession because I'm interested in training profession. I am
Okay.
now
Okay.
working as a international a scholarship ISDB IT scholarship. You can, I think, all
Like.
world 20 20 21 countries this scholarship provide.
Okay.
IIDB, Islamic Development Bank from Saudi Arab.
Okay.
Okay, they
Okay.
offer a scholarship. I
Okay.
now I as a trainer in networking
Mm-hmm.
technology. I work there. Okay,
Okay.
uh, and in plus my organization also is a system. Also, I can follow up.
Okay. So you mean to say right now you are not working in any company, so you are build up your personal organization or something.
No, 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 no. I am working a company. Company name is different. Company has my two roles: company
Okay.
system and plus technical training.
Okay. Okay.
Company system is organized system. So
Okay.
it's I no headache is here. Just
Uh,
training session is my regular works.
okay. 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 So training, you are taking training for networking as well, system level both.
Networking, that means all system. It's started from every 4 months. IDB
Mm.
offer but provides only 12 student a scholarship. Okay,
Okay.
this scholarship duration is 14 months. So we
Okay. Okay.
started from CompTIA A plus, CompTIA Network plus, Windows 10. After that, Windows Server. After Exchange Server. After
Okay.
MicroTik. After Linux. The whole duration is 14 months.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Especially, I personally I train people or train people Windows Server, Exchange Server. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, okay, 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 Tariq. Thank you so much that you shared your experience and all. Okay.
Okay. If
Mm-hmm.
you
Thank you.
if you are mm, but in the Middle East, I have some student in foreign, in like as USA and
Mm,
UK. but it's
Okay,
still
okay,
you already you have already knowledge Microsoft retiring their exam in next month, next year, okay, January.
okay,
But if most of the we are connected in Asian group, like it's
okay,
Middle East, and
okay,
African people, but they also doesn't care. They try to
okay,
they are this month they try to exam three exam Microsoft Windows Server 123
okay,
410 411 412.
okay, okay.
Still they are backdated. They doesn't knowledge, doesn't know Microsoft are expiring this exam.
Yes,
Yes.
that's a big problem.
Big problem.
Yes.
But I have a student in USA. He
Okay.
already passed this, but student the main technology field there is no student. All are looks like friend or knowledge sharing. Okay, he also
Okay, okay.
sharing that, bro. I am going to Azure exam.
Hmm.
Microsoft are going to stop this. Okay, before I doesn't study Microsoft 365, but he suggests
Okay.
me a start 365. If you not start this Azure and
Hmm.
365, you if still you not start this, you will be
Hmm.
backdated because
Hmm.
Microsoft rapidly changed their technology.
Perfect.
Okay, if I think,
Hmm.
yeah, if you are mostly interested to face any exam, okay.
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
Another question: if you face any exchange exam, you are certified to MCSE. You are now MCSA.
Okay. MCSA. Yes. Right.
Yes, in Cyber 2012. Okay, if you face
Hmm.
MS 2002,
Hmm.
2000, yeah, 203. If you face
200.
one exam, if
Okay.
are you will be MCSE?
Okay.
Are you sure you will be MCSE or is still MCSA?
No, I am MCSA.
No, no. I discussing you.
Okay.
I repeat again. If anyone face three
Hmm.
exam,
Okay.
410, 411, 412. Okay,
Okay.
these are Windows Server exam. After that,
Okay.
anyone face 413 or
Okay.
414, they will be
Okay.
MCSE,
Okay.
Microsoft
Okay.
Solution Certificate Expert. Okay.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
at now, if you face 203 exam,
Okay.
this certification is still remaining MCSA or you are move to MCSE.
See, as I checked, that as you telling that MCSA and MCSE, it's a Windows Server completely certification, and the MS203, as you're telling, as I said, MS20 or 200, 201, these all the completely the messaging certification.
Yes, yes, yes.
So the person, if you want to go to the platform with the exchange, then he can go with the 7345, which is outdated. And now the certification MS200 or 201 or 203, anyone can give. There is no any mandatory that you have to complete the MCSA or MCSE. MCSA, MCSE, it's a different, and MS20
Is different.
200 series is a different because it's a messaging platform
That's
completely.
different. Yes, yes, that's it. Yes, yes. Okay, that's fine. I just I forget it and I mix up
Mhm.
all things. I think
Okay.
if you, I suggest, yeah, if you are upgrade your examination before 2 or 3 months ago, I suggest you
Mm.
you face another exam and certificate
Mm.
go to MCSE. Now no need, so because
Okay.
if you try to MCSE, you need to now two exam. First
Yes.
exam is upgrade your Cyber 12 to 16. Another exam is exchange 3, 4, 5 exam.
Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect.
So no need to
So,
just remaining 4 months. No need to take pressure for two exam. It's fine. You are
okay.
Cyber 2012 certified and MCSA
Mm.
certified. If you interested face
Mm.
another exam, just face
Mm.
Azure exam. and just look
Okay.
up a social network, any offer Microsoft offering for free browser.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So that one you explained in the videos, right? As you said, how to
Yes.
check the free voucher and all. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay. I also.
You just share me that links so that directly I can go to that videos. Otherwise, I have to search in your channel all the videos.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's
Yes. Yes. I
okay.
sharing with you in your messenger. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, thank you. Have you any query?
One more query. So suppose if I am anything, as you also given a multiple exams, Microsoft exams. Okay. So what I'm asking, if I want to prepare for my exam, so how to revise everything? That means what are the points they are going to cover in that exam or something? How to study and how to revise that things and all. Because if we start the suppose example, if I'm doing MS 203, okay, so what I will do, I will go for the multiple channels, YouTube channels, or the Microsoft documents, or there are too many blocks is there. So if I refer all the things and I just come to know something knowledge, say that MS 203 they are covering this topic, okay. So if finally if I planned, okay, I'm ready for the exam, so I want to give the certification. So for that, how should I go? How to start that one?
Okay. I suggest you say that's correct. Multiple
Mm.
resource, multiple trainer, multiple channel,
Mm.
multiple. Okay, you just
Blocks or something.
blocks. You,
Mm.
you decide just and
Mm.
you follow in social network. You fix up just one mentor
Okay.
for subject. Okay,
Okay.
now you are trying to 203 exam or studying 203 exam. Okay,
Yes. Okay.
I still does not study this. So in these
Okay.
topics,
Okay. Understand.
I will not be your mentor. Okay, just you follow
Okay.
your social network who working these topics,
Mm-hmm.
working this area, and follow him.
Mm-hmm.
If
Okay.
possible, to contact with him. If not possible, you just follow him.
Mm. Okay. Okay.
Their tutorials, their
Mm.
resource, their educational
Mm.
tutorials. Okay,
Mm.
if you follow
Mm.
multiple trainer, multiple paths, you will be
Mm.
mix of all things.
Yes. 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 That only I
Yes.
got
Yes.
confused
Yes.
on this.
Yes.
Mm. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah. Have you completed CCNA or Cisco education? Any other certification?
no. 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 Actually, my core is completely Microsoft, so I didn't try it on the Cisco's and all because if I get one proper platform, then I can decide for anything. Because until and unless if I didn't get proper platform, then doing the certification and just simply doing and just studying, we are not getting a proper platform to
Yeah.
work.
Yeah.
Then it's very.
It's best practice.
Mm,
It's best practice, but mostly in our country or Asian people, our
mm,
job environment, they ask
mm.
all things. Cisco,
Yeah, yeah,
are you know Cisco? Are you know Microsoft? Have you worked in any other topics, Juniper, like a Microti?
yeah,
But
yeah.
most of the Europe or in America, USA, they just follow
Mm.
one way. If
Yes,
we I study Microsoft. If we study Cisco, CCNP,
yeah,
CCI.
yes.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
realize your job environment and your job market. If your
Mm.
job
Okay.
market asks to, you need to have CCNA.
Mm. Mm.
Unfortunately, do, do it. But
Yeah,
it's
yes,
good
yes.
good practice to just expertise in one topics, one subject, one way. No need to mix all
Mm.
things.
Yes, yes. That only I didn't entered in the Cisco. That means CCNA. In completely CCNA, I didn't entered till now. I'm just focusing on this only, Microsoft product only.
Yes.
Okay. So inshallah, let's see. I'm just started this one. Let's see if I get an opportunity. Once I complete this one, then I will go for the Azure 104.
Yes.
Next
Yes.
target will be that one. Inshallah, let's see.
Okay, let's see. If
Mm.
okay, thank you. All the best. If any
Okay.
query about Windows Server and Exchange Server,
Okay.
You can ping me, or any
Okay.
other friends are interested to study Windows Server. You can
Okay.
refer me.
Okay.
Okay.
One more thing. As you said that you completed the on-premises exchange, right?
Yes.
You're having a knowledge of the on-premises exchange. You don't have an idea on this Microsoft, that means online exchange, online or hybrid or something.
Oh, yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. Yes. That's true.
Okay, okay.
I
Okay.
works one
One
premises.
more query. If I come to that point, as you said that you are having the expertise in the on-premises exchange. So for practicing level, how you are conducting, how you are teaching to the student, that means only the administrative part you are just giving the training, or inbound and outbound for the outside network. That means from Gmail to our organization. Because if we do the mail flow for outbound or inbound, then we need a public IP, right? So in that case, how you are giving a training? So without a public IP, you are just giving a training in the administration part, or completely mail flow.
Yeah. In virtual machine, you one is DC and server, another is client. We can
Okay.
communicate to each other with
Hmm.
public IP.
Perfect. Perfect. Without public IP, yes, perfect. So suppose if you want, if I want to test my mail flow from Gmail to my organization, whatever the lab I prepared in my laptop. So in that case, it's not possible, right? So we
Yes,
need
yes.
public IP.
Some practical is not possible.
Yes, yes,
Some practical
that
is not
only
possible.
because I'm followed with the multiple YouTube channels like you. So they are all some of them what they suggested. If you want to do the exchange full practice, then go with the cloud machine, Azure or Google G Suite or something. You will get a
Yes, yes,
public IP, and from there you can do that because that is not possible. So that's why I just ignored that one. Okay, anyhow.
yes. Okay, all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tarik, that you are giving me a time and you discussed and shared some your technical skills. Okay, thank you so much for your
Okay, thank you.
valuable time.
All the best.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum.